Hi guys, welcome to the Crest at Sugarloaf. We're here in our brand new renovated apartment, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, the Rockefeller. Here you have the master bedroom, which does come with a linen closet located outside for your toiletry and linen items. You've got the beautiful LED lighting in here, nice big windows for great sunlight. Get a nice master bedroom closet, lots of space, lots of storage shelf. And of course you are gonna have carpets in your bedroom still, but you'll get the LVT hardwood floors throughout your common areas. You're gonna have the master bathroom, which does have the attached bath to it. Beautiful granite countertops. Nice garden-sized tub, beautiful backsplash. And then this nice little hallway entryway. Directly in front of the master bedroom, you're gonna have the beautiful gourmet kitchen. It does have the nice island with the granite countertops. You get the nice deep sinks, garbage disposal, stainless steel appliances, these lovely, beautiful 42-inch cabinets, lots of counter space, lots of cabinet space, all these drawers. You're also gonna get a full laundry room. It does have washer and dryer hookups in this particular unit. Some do come with washers and dryers, others come with just the hookups like you see here. So definitely keep that in mind when you're looking for your future home. All right, and here you are gonna get the nice 9-foot ceilings, of course, throughout the whole apartment. You see the nice spacious living room, beautiful little nooks, great place for your entertainment center. You are gonna have the luxury of a first floor walk-in level apartment, but it feels like you're on the second floor with the balcony. Nice and private. You are gonna get a great spacious storage unit. So you see here, very peaceful and quiet, great for your morning coffee or afternoons. You have a nice formal dining room, of course, with the nice crown molding. Hallway with the workstation, great for any homework that you have, or if you take work home from work, definitely the spot to do so. And here you're gonna have one of our guest bedrooms. It does have the 9-foot ceilings, of course, beautiful big windows. Again, the natural sunlight is awesome with that. You're gonna have the great spacious closet. Again, it's walk-in, lots of shelves. All right, and then we're gonna go back through the hallway. And this is our last bedroom. So this will be the 3rd bedroom. It does have the master walk-in closet as well, same size. Nice windows, you'll get 2 in this room. Again, the 9-foot ceilings. You're gonna get a linen closet in this bedroom for your linen and toiletry items. And this one's also gonna be connected to the 2nd bath. Now you are still gonna get the nice vanity, granite countertops, lots of drawers, cabinets, garden-sized tub, great backsplash. And then through here, you're back to the hallway. And look at those beautiful arches. You can't miss out on this. Again, this is brand new, fully renovated, 3-bed, 2-bath, the Rockefeller. So call us if you have any questions today at 770-277-8484. And don't forget, our application fee is only $25. Talk to you soon.